Alright, so here's something I find weird. The back door handle works if the key is sitting there, and same thing with the front ones. If I push that, that will obviously lock it. And if I grab like that, it'll unlock it. But if I put the key in my pocket, it won't do nothing. Nothing happens when I put the key in my pocket. But if I'm right up against it, gotta be right up against it for it to actually work, which is kind of odd. I don't know if anybody's got any other suggestion. I've tried a door handle. I tried a new door harness on it. I'm running out of ideas on what else to do, because the driver's side works just fine. So key's still in my pocket, but if I go to grab it, driver's side works just fine. Same thing with the back one. It works just fine. But on the passenger side, nothing happens. But if I get up against it, grab the handle, it will unlock. The back door handle, same thing, it won't do nothing, even with the key right there. But if I hold the key like that, it works. But if the key's in my pocket and I'm not up against the door, it won't do anything. So if I set the key there, it unlocks it and it locks it if the key's sitting like that. I don't know if anybody else have any idea on only other option. Maybe replace the key fob battery. Don't know what else to do.